Started my campaign for the Olympics. That's next year, and I'm going to try and qualify for the Olympics. That's the main goal for now, nothing else.
So how you are practicing for Olympics?
Well, the preparation doesn't just start like 6 months or a year before. It starts a long time ago. And unfortunately, I couldn't do a lot of international events because the proposal that we had put to the government didn't get approved in time. But I'm thankful to the chief minister that he finally approved our case, and he granted us a certain amount of money that's going to come to us. And now that when the funds come, things will fall in place, and we can start training abroad and get some good competitions done, which will help me a lot to try and qualify India for the Olympics in windsurfing.
In Goa, there are any places where you can practice for the international games?
My favorite places are either here in Dona Paula or Baga, just outside my house. These are the two places that I like the most. I've been to quite a few beaches, and most of the beaches that I've been to are sailable, So it's a shame that there are not enough sailors in Goa because you can literally go sailing anywhere over here.